Hi, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, I'll show you how to assign multiple values to multiple variables. Actually, it's possible to assign multiple values to multiple variables only in a single line in order and separate them using commas. Let's see this in action. Easily in this case, we assigned 4 values to 4 variables. The value of num1 is 3, the value of num2 is 5.7, the value of num3 is 10, and the value of name variable is Fred, string data type. And we printed all of them using the print function. First print num1, then print num2, then print num3, and the last one print name. And directly after executing this program, we got 3, 5.7, 10, and Fred, each one in a separate line. Also, you can create multiple variables and give them the same value in a single line, exactly as in the following example. Simply, this program assigns the same string data type called equal inside double quotes to all 3 variables a, b, and c by typing a equal to b equal to c equal to equal inside double quotes, or you can give them any value you want. And as you can see, due to using the print function 3 times for a, b, and c, we got each value in a separate line. It's very easy and simple, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.